The Impact of Firearm Injuries dashboard provides data on firearm deaths and injuries in King County. The dashboard contains data on deaths, hospitalizations, and encounters with emergency medical services, or EMS. Use the blue navigation buttons from the summary page to view the data you're interested in or to learn more about the data sources. Let's click Counts and Rates to learn more about deaths. Here, view data for firearm deaths by intent, demographic groups, and by year. When you hover over the graphs, more information pops up. You can view counts or rates and filter the data by geography or intent. Use the dark blue buttons to select a data source. The View Maps button will take you to the map view. Here, view the data by region or health reporting area if you're looking at death data. Let's go back to the summary page. To see EMS encounters, use the corresponding light blue buttons. Let's click Trends to see monthly EMS encounters. Choose between counts or rates or view a line graph. These dark blue buttons will take you back to the summary and EMS data pages. Let's view characteristics to see EMS encounter data by demographics. Use the options on the right to filter the data or show more years. Lastly, View Maps will take you to a map of EMS encounters where you can view rates or counts by year. Questions? Please submit questions using our online data request service.